The brush holder aligns the brush with the armature. It consists of a brass sleeve with a plastic housing around it. There's a wire connection as well to get power to the brush. Most brush holder problems are caused by overheating the motor or other motor problems. When a motor is badly overheated, the plastic surrounding the brush holder will melt, often causing the holder to become misaligned to the armature. Sometimes an electric arc will melt the brass portion of the brush holder. Replacing the brush holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the motor end cap. It's held in place with a couple of screws. Now remove the brush cap and the brush. Now use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull the wire off of the brush holder. The brush holder is held in place with a set screw. I'll loosen the set screw and then use a screwdriver to help remove the brush holder. You may need to bend the wire tab on the back of the holder down a little bit. Now I can install the new brush holder. The first thing I want to do is bend the tab where the wire attaches up to about a 45-degree angle. Once it's inside the saw, I'll bend it all the way back up to 90 degrees. Now I'll slide the new brush holder into the motor housing. I want to keep the opening for the brush horizontal as I slide it into the saw. Once in place, I'll secure it with the set screw. And I'll use a screwdriver and some needle nose pliers to bend that tab all the way back up to 90 degrees. Now I'll reinstall the wire back onto the brush holder. And tuck the wire away into its holder. Now I can reinstall the brush and the brush cap. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor end cover and securing it with the screws.